Hi there, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to unmute chat in Brawl Stars. In order to unmute text chat in Brawl Stars, you'll need to access your in-game settings. Basically, what you have to do is first thing, open up your application or the game, then you want to go to the main menu sections. After which, tap the 3-line menu icon in the top right corner in order to access the game settings. When you do it so, you have to locate the mute team text chat options. If it is currently toggled on, enable, toggle it off, disable to unmute the text chat. Now you should be able to see this and send text message. Now you should be able to see and send text message to your teammates in the game. This is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.